Little storyteller.
Mia, the little artist, loved to paint. Her smock was splattered with happy colors, and her bright eyes sparkled with ideas. Today she was painting fluffy white bunnies in a sunny green meadow beside a sparkling blue river. Her favorite brush, Mr. Fluffy, bounced across the paper, making soft, gentle strokes. Image generation. Suddenly, Mia wanted to paint the bumpy bark of a big oak tree nearby. She reached for Mr. Fluffy, but he wasn't there. Oh no! Mia looked around. She checked her smock pockets and her paint box. Mr. Fluffy was lost. Mia felt a little sad, but then she looked around the meadow. Image generation. A bright green leaf fluttered down from the oak tree. Mia picked it up. It had tiny lines and bumps all over it. She thought. She dipped the leaf in brown paint and gently pressed it onto her paper. It made a wonderful bumpy texture, just like the tree bark. Image generation. Next, Mia wanted to paint the soft grass around the bunnies. She found a small twig on the ground. The end of the twig was a little frayed. She dipped the frayed end in green paint and dotted it onto her paper. It looked just like tiny blades of grass. Mia giggled. Painting with nature was fun. Image generation. Just then, a fluffy bunny hopped closer and nudged something with its nose. It was Mr. Fluffy, Mia's favorite brush. The bunny must have found it near the tree. Mia thanked the bunny with a gentle pat and looked at her painting. The bunnies looked extra fluffy. The tree bark looked bumpy and the grass looked soft, all thanks to the leaf and the twig. Image generation. Mia learned that even when things go wrong, like losing her brush, she could find new and exciting ways to solve problems. Using things from nature made her painting even more special. Did you know that artists sometimes use different tools, not just brushes, to make interesting textures in their artwork? Image generation.
Please subscribe. Thank you.